Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel, Exploring God's Creation.
Where we're living for today because we're not promised tomorrow. Today we're going on an exploration to see Welch
Spring.
Spring. It's an old abandoned hospital and a spring. It's supposed to be really pretty.
Right on the Current River.
So come along with us. Welch Spring is the 8th largest spring in Missouri, putting out 75 million gallons of water a day. The drive down was gorgeous. It's in the Ozark region, and we took 19 down on Highway K. You have to pay really close attention because it's a really small sign off Highway K. This is the road in, and it's kind of rough, but you're not on it too long. When you come to this fork in the road, you turn right. There's no signs. So then that road takes you down to a small parking area, which would hold about 5 cars. And then over to the right, you'll see a sign that for the trail and a little gated entry. Trail is only like a half a mile, and it's a very easy trail. Nice trail because it runs right along the river, the Current River. Probably about half of it is view of the river. What we're going to see is an old abandoned hospital. A man purchased the property and built a hospital over the opening of a cave because he believed the air was medicinal for people who suffered from like asthma. Anyway, after he passed, his children pretty much let it go. And it is what it is today. And it's right next to Welch Spring. Brock and I would like to thank each and every one of you for your support. If you haven't subscribed, please do so and hit the notification bell so you're notified of new videos. Please comment below the video or give us a thumbs up. No matter what you do, we truly feel blessed by everyone's support. God bless.